This video illustrates basic actions on objects in Live Home 3D. Objects can be added to a project with a simple drag and drop. Let's take a look at how this works in both 2D and 3D. You can find the object you need by navigating through the categories of the object library or type a keyword in the search field below. Then tap on the object and hold until the object is selected. Then drag it over to the floor plan. But objects can also be dragged and dropped into the 3D view. Did you notice? The lamp automatically stuck to the ceiling? This is because the furniture objects have what is called glue options that make sure they stick to the correct surfaces. When you drag and drop a window or door into the 3D view, it is automatically snapped onto walls. Note that objects can be moved in both the 2D and 3D views. Most object parameters can be altered in either the Object Properties tab of the inspector or using the Resize handles right on the 2D plan. You may drag any of the handles to adjust the size and rotate an object, or simply type in the necessary parameters. The Object Properties tab of the inspector also allows to change glue options, set the elevation of an object, and more. When you select an object either in 2D or 3D, the first tap selects it and the second tap opens the context menu. This menu is used for copying, pasting, and other operations with the objects. To deselect an object, click Done in the toolbar or simply tap on the ceiling or on the ground. If you want to select multiple objects, place and hold one finger on the screen and tap on the objects you want to select with another finger. One great feature that the program offers is the object grouping. It can be accessed in the context menu after selecting multiple objects. This allows them to be moved and rotated together. One more useful tip: if you want to rotate an object or a group in 2D or 3D without help of the inspector or the rotation handle, tap on the object and start moving it. Then place a second finger on the screen and use the rotate gesture to set the necessary angle. And that covers most of the basics. Now, to make work much quicker for yourself, take a look at the program help to learn more about the program functioning. Well, that's about it. We'll see you next time.